Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stable Diffusion workflows for brand-aligned images, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the brand identity you want to align with. Gather relevant brand assets such as logos, color palettes, and typography. Next, install Stable Diffusion on your system if you haven't done so already. Follow the official installation guide to ensure all dependencies are met. Once installed, open the Stable Diffusion interface. Create a new project for your brand-aligned images. Input your brand colors into the color settings of Stable Diffusion. Utilize a palette generator if you need additional color variations. Upload your brand logos and other assets to the workspace. Set natural language prompts that reflect your brand's voice and style. Incorporate specific terms or themes that resonate with your brand values. For example, if your brand is eco-friendly, include relevant keywords in your prompts. Adjust the parameters for image resolution to suit your needs. Choose a diffusion model compatible with your desired output quality. Run test generations with your preliminary prompts. Evaluate the outcomes and tweak the prompts as necessary. Save your preferred results to a dedicated folder for easy access. Use image editing software to make minor adjustments if required. Once satisfied, compile all aligned images into a cohesive presentation. Maintain backups of the original images for future reference. Review the final collection to ensure alignment with your brand identity. Finalize your project in Stable Diffusion and export the images. Stay updated with any new features or improvements in Stable Diffusion. Regularly revisit your workflows for consistency with evolving brand standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.